everyone, welcome to O.B.O channel, where we help you create a quick, easy and flavor-packed meal with O.B.O seasonings. Today is oven-baked chicken stew day. This stew is loaded with vegetables. It is my absolute favorite stew to prepare. It is incredibly savory and perfectly balanced. The best part is seasoned with the amazing all-natural, all-purpose seasonings, Swiiftty-Spice, which contains over 15 herbs and spices. If you're like me and enjoy spending less time in the kitchen, then you will love how simple, cozy, and wellness-focused this recipe is. So grab a bottle of Swiiftty-Spice and let's have some fun cooking together. Now remember, the ingredients are also listed below. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoy a quick, comforting meal like this one, please be sure to subscribe to stay updated on more delicious recipes. Are you interested in trying an amazing seasoning that will elevate your dishes? Then check out the O.B.O seasonings using the link below. I would love to hear from you. So please leave me a comment and feel free to share with me what you'll be creating with the O.B.O seasonings. It's your idea will inspire me. Until next time, take care. Ciao.